A disturbing video gaining traction on social media captures a group of young individuals in Germany carrying out a brazen act of vandalism and theft. In the footage, one of the youths is seen inserting a lit firework into a vending machine before the group hastily retreats to a safe distance.
Er filmt! No, er filmt!
Moments later, the machine erupts in a violent explosion, reducing it to a mangled wreck. Undeterred by the destruction, the perpetrators then return to the scene to loot the damaged machine. While the exact date and location of the incident remain unclear, local authorities have yet to confirm whether any suspects have been identified or arrested in connection with the incident. The video has sparked concerns about escalating youth delinquency and the potential dangers posed by such reckless criminal behaviour.